If you're working in software development and wondering how to use Asana to streamline your workflow and make team collaboration easier, this video will show you exactly how to use Asana for software development. Stick with me, because I'll break it down step by step so you can make the most of this powerful tool, and I've also got an exclusive offer that you don't want to miss at the end. First up, Asana is a great tool for organizing tasks, tracking progress, and collaborating with your team. Whether you're working on a huge project or just need a simple way to track individual tasks, Asana can help. And here's the best part. You can use it for free from the link below, with some extra bonuses just for you. But more on that later. Let's dive into how to use Asana for software development. Next thing, start by creating a project. You can select from different templates, like the software development template, which already has the stages of the project mapped out for you. Or you can create your own custom workflow from scratch. Asana makes it easy to create multiple projects for different stages of your development cycle. Now, for the second thing, use tasks to break down your project. Tasks represent individual work items. Assign them to team members and add due dates to stay on track. You can also set priorities, so everyone knows what needs to be done first. Tasks are key because they ensure your team stays on the same page and hits every deadline. Next, add subtasks. These are smaller, more manageable pieces of a task that help ensure your project moves forward smoothly. For example, you might have a task called Develop User Interface, and within that task, you can break it down into smaller subtasks like Create Wireframes, Design Main Screen, and Review with Team. This makes tracking progress super simple. The fourth thing to do is track everything using Asana's boards or lists. If you prefer visual organization, use boards to move tasks through different stages like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. You can also track milestones, which are essential for any software development project to ensure you're meeting your goals. Then, use the timeline feature. The timeline gives you a visual representation of your entire project, making it easy to see how everything fits together. You can see dependencies, which is great for figuring out which tasks need to be completed before others can start. This feature is especially useful for software development projects with complex dependencies. Next thing, team communication. Asana allows for easy team collaboration. You can leave comments on tasks to ask questions, give feedback, or provide updates. This helps keep all communication in one place so you don't lose track of important information. The last thing is integrations. Asana works well with tools that software developers love, like GitHub, Slack, and Jira. You can link your code commits directly to Asana tasks or use Slack to get notifications when tasks are updated. This makes it easy to stay in sync with your team and your project's progress. Now, here's the deal. If you want to try out Asana for free, you can get started right now using the link in the description below. And don't forget, you'll also get exclusive bonuses for checking it out through that link. So, to wrap up, using Asana for software development is a game changer for organizing your projects, tasks, and team communications. You'll stay on top of deadlines, track progress with ease, and integrate with all your favorite tools. Plus, with Asana's free version, you get all of this at no cost. Make sure to grab your exclusive and extended free trial through the first link below and take your software development projects to the next level.